I'm Katrina Kennedy. I want to walk you through a quick way to engage groups in breakout rooms if you're using Zoom. We're going to share to breakout rooms. We're going to use 4 quick steps to share whatever is on our computer to the breakout rooms. It could be instructions, it could be documents, apps, anything you want people to work on together in the breakout room. So the first thing that we're going to do is open a document on our computer that we want to share. Then we're going to need to open breakout rooms. And once we do that, the select share to breakout room button is going to appear. We'll check that box, and then we'll be able to check to make sure that what we're sharing is showing up in the breakout room in the way that we want it to show up. So let's go ahead and pop over to Zoom so I can show you exactly how it works. So first things first, I am going to make sure that my breakout rooms are open. We're going ahead and open those. And once breakout rooms are open, then I can select share. I can either share my desktop or PowerPoint or whatever it is that you would like to share. I'm going to go ahead and select PowerPoint and then select the share to breakout room option. Then click the blue share button. Once I've done that, you're going to see in your toolbar, the green bar should pop up, and you can then use that drop-down caret to see exactly what the breakout rooms are seeing. And the nice thing about this, as I change what's on my screen, you can see what's being shared to the breakout room. So it could be instructions, it could be steps that you want them to follow, anything at all that you'd like them to see, and you'll be able to see it there. And if I want to stop, I can stop share, or I can pause share as well. I hope this is helpful for you. I hope it gives you an idea of what you can share to the breakout room to make the breakout room experience in Zoom even more impactful for your participants. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. I look forward to responding.